So I want all of you to check your chat box wherein I have pasted few chat links. First link is of syllabus link. You can check your syllabus according to your grade on these two particular links. In case you have not enrolled yet, no need to worry. You can make the payment still also and you will see you in the classes. We are always welcome to take up the feedback. You can fill up this form and we'll get your feedback. In case you want to know in detail about your batch, you can fill up this all batch detail link and you'll click on this link and you'll get to know. In case you have any further queries, always feel free to drop us an email at support@olympiadsuccess.com or you can drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. Yes, we will be going to live on the Facebook in case you find a glitch and you will not be able to join us back via Zoom. No need to worry. You can watch us live, right? So Naksh, I want you to settle down now. Stop jumping. So who has joined us? Welcome, Bestie Brave. Is it a name? My goodness, so many new names. Hey, Niralya, your camera is blurred. I can't see your lovely face. Bestie Brave, please rename yourself and turn on your camera. Amoha, please turn on your camera. Hey, Shubika, good to see you. Shall I invite your mentor at the platform? Do you really want to meet her? Then you need to turn on your camera. Otherwise, I'll not call her. Now I have a bonus point in my hand. Is it so, Priyasha? Naksha, I'll send the links once again. Okay, so now I would like to invite your mentor. Her name is Miss Priyasha. She's a wonderful mentor. Her classes are very engaging, interesting, and interactive. Of course, she's into teaching profession since so long. And she loved to interact kids like you. Ahana is smiling a lot. I think she has taken classes from her before also. That's why she's smiling. Okay, so over to you, Priyasha ma'am. I'll not take much time. I want you to interact with them.
Thank you so much for this lovely introduction. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this session. Thank you so much for joining. And as ma'am has already given a small brief about me, I'll not be talking about myself, but about reasoning. So see, reasoning is something which needs to be started from the real beginning, because why is reasoning important for us? It's not a chapter in school, right? But then still we are learning it, because reasoning is something which teaches us logic, and logic is something which will help us in every single chapter which we are learning in school and also for the competitive examinations. See, practically speaking, every competitive examination has an IQ section as well, a logic section as well. But that straight application of logical reasoning. The indirect application of logical reasoning is where you start thinking in a different way. You must have heard many people saying this, right? Thinking out of the box, thinking in a different way, in a creative way. So, how do we do that? How do we practice that? That happens only and only when we practice more and more questions related to a particular topic in logical reasoning. So you will be like, oh, this can be done this way also. Oh, this is the shortcut of doing this. So these kind of learnings will open up your mind and you will be able to approach similar looking questions in other topics as well, be it maths, be it science, be it English, or any other topic. You will see many questions are a part of science also, a part of maths also in logical reasoning. But how is this happening? This is happening because logical reasoning is going to help you in all the chapters you're going to study in your school as well. So that's why logical reasoning, the faster you start, or the earlier you start, I should say, the better it is for you. Because you know what? This is not to demotivate you, neither to scare you, but logical reasoning has no syllabus. Syllabus in the sense you cannot really say that, ma'am, just because I did 100 questions of this chapter, I am done with this. Not really. It's always a learning phase. And even ma'am, who has done so many hundreds and thousands of questions in logical reasoning, is still learning with every new question she comes across. So that's the way how logical reasoning will make you more active and more creative in order to solve questions, not just in your school, but also in your day-to-day life activities also. In short, making you more intelligent. Okay, so we will have a nice demo right now, but before that, we have a very important PPT coming up on the screen. So all you have to do is pay attention to that, because after that, ma'am will be asking you questions like, when is the class? what is the timing, and many other questions like that as well. So if you pay attention and give the right answer, then we will appreciate you, of course. And most important thing, then only we will start the demo on time. Otherwise, we'll not start the demo on time. So you have to be very, very actively listening to the PPT. Okay, thumbs up. All right, then catch with you in few minutes just after the important PPT. Over to you, Mega ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. All right, kids. So pay attention, okay? Okay, I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. So, Olympiad Success is the India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. We have the India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation, one of its kind yearly program that matters. We are having 8 courses: School Plus program, mathematics, English, logical reasoning, science, communications, spoken and written, Vedic maths, and coding. What else we provide? We provide one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes from grade 2 to grade 12, and one preparation classes for various Olympiads. You can meet our rank holders. These are kids like you only. So nothing is worried about it. You just need to spare 2 hours from extra curriculum, because Olympiad examination is quite little tougher than the regular curriculum. We are having a live Olympiad sessions. We are having group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors with significant teaching experience, to having 2 sessions per week, Saturday and Sunday, from 12 p.m. till 1:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break. The session includes a mix of theory, practice question, doubt session, and discussion on previous year papers. Student will get a reading material and practice papers, which will be available on the platform of OS. And student will also get a free access to Olympiad Success platform to practice a topic-wise mock test. So syllabus is available on this particular link for grade 3 and grade 4. And the fee of this course is rupees 5,576. It is a 25-session course, and payment can be made by using this link. This fees includes online class, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year papers, and access to Olympiad Success platform. So what you'll require: a laptop or desktop with good internet speed, laptop or desktop with camera, and headphones for the better audio clarity. So live classes will be starting from 12th of April 2025. So in 2020-24, Olympiad Success had students from more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So yes, this is all about informative PPT. I hope I'm clear. Show me thumbs up if I'm clear. All right, over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So let me share my screen with you all, and then we are good to go for the dashboard tool. So here what you have to do, students, you will be going to enter an URL olympiadsuccess.com, wherein you need to log in with the credentials. This you'll be going to use your email ID with which you will register, right? So as of now, I am entering with one of our demo account. After signing in, you'll get your profile details. Read it. In case you find any error, you can rectify it over here. Moving forward, you need to click on live classes, wherein you'll be going to get your entire materials. So select your subject and of course topic. And here you can see the schedule, holiday calendar, question answers, and answer keys. So here in the schedule, you can see in every session, there'll be a different topic, right? There's a discussion days also. After completion of every chapter, there's a test day also for you. And last, there are super classes, which will be there for you for more and more practice. Super classes means a lot of previous year practice papers will be going to discuss in your classes, okay? So I want you to attend your sessions very carefully. And here you can see the holiday calendar for your reference, that you should not take any unattended holiday leave, okay? So because there are already, we have holidays. Here is a reading material. Which has been described for you in detail. Here are the question papers. I want you to solve your paper and then check your answer keys. Here are the answer keys. Okay. Moving forward, there's a more practice for you. For that, you need to click on worksheets. Sorry, select your subject. So I'll be going to show you for some other subject. So here you can click on take exam, read the instructions, click on tick box and start worksheet. And this is how you have to attempt your question. Keep on filling the answer and move on next, right? Once you're done with your questions, click on finish button. Yes, I've reviewed all the questions. The best part is the moment you have done your worksheet, parallelly you can check your performance, how you performed. For that, you have to click on performance button, select your subject, and here you can see your performance. Click on view button and you can see whether the answer is correct or not. Okay. So this is how you can access the dashboard. So let me log out and we'll be open for the Q&A round. If anybody is having any doubt, need a clarity, feel free to ask your questions. We'll be happy to answer your queries. No one is having any question related to the course? Okay, then let me ask a question. What are your class days and timings? Hurry up. What are your class days? Quickly type it in the chat box.
Sarthak and Nishita, you're supposed to write it in the chat box.
We got Shravya back. Shravya, are you joining from 2 devices? Is it so? Hurry up. Okay, so class days are Saturdays, Sunday, Saturday. Spelling of Saturday is wrong. E will not come. And 5th April. This is the demo day. I know. I'm asking about regular class timings. Shubhika. Any other? My goodness, no one were attentive during the PPT. Megam, can we have a class days and timings once again? Saturday, Sunday, correct, Ahana? Timings. 12 p.m. till 1:15 p.m., okay?
This is not fair, kids. You're not attentive. And you and everyone showed me thumbs up. Okay,
You
no
could have
issues.
asked question from ma'am during that time only if you were not clear.
Yes.
Okay, now we have pasted chat links once again and class days also. So shall we begin with the demo?
Double thumbs up
Now?
from Naksh.
Very nice. Over to you, Priya Shama.
Thank you. Okay, so I was thinking of doing one topic today, but then I thought, why? Let's do more things together in one demo. So we will be having a mixed bag today, a lot of different types of topics together. But the interesting part is that you people will not just solve the question and send me the answer in the chat box. You people would also tell me what can be the name of this chapter from which the question is asked. Okay, so let's make it more creative. Let's turn you into teachers, someone who makes questions. Okay, so you people should be knowing what shall be the name of the chapter as well. So let's start with the first question. Firstly, of course, I'll stay in this mode only, guys. Okay. So the first question is on your screen. Don't say that this is diagram based question, ma'am. The chapter name. This is a diagram based question because I'm showing you a diagram on the screen. But what rules are applicable here is what you will send me in the chat box, Sarthak. Sarthak, really next, like the moment next week we start our regular classes, right? I will ask you to show the demo to everyone, demo of raising hands. So this is one thing I teach all my students in the first class, that is using the raise hand button. Many of them don't know it. So Sarthak, in the next class, next week, regular classes, I'll ask you to tell them how to do this. Okay? Fine, fine. Now Naksh is saying that even I know this, ma'am. Okay, concentrate back to the question, everyone. Here's question number 1, and I need the answers in the chat box. And remember, not just the answers. I also need the chapter name. Naksh, naksh, no spamming. People who spam will not be in the class. Just once. Answer just once. Oh, I have so many answers, but I have Shubhika saying it's a puzzle question or close to correct. Ahana says it's geometry. No. Symmetry is what you meant, right? Not geometry. Patterns. Very good, Sarthak and Henit. Very good, Naksh. It's right. It falls in patterns. And we do use it for one purpose as well. I mean, while solving the question, we will learn another topic as well. This topic is called as, okay, this matches with what Ahana was also saying. That is symmetry. What is symmetry, guys? Symmetry is when you fold the paper, it can be folded top to bottom, it can be folded left to right. When you fold the paper, you get the two figures exactly overlapping, nothing extra, nothing less. So here, if we fold it, we see that the left side is symmetrical to the right side. So this figure is matching with this figure. This figure should also match. So no pink circle, no pink circle. No, there's one line which is missing here. So the answer goes as A. But wait, what? We also learn one extra topic in this question. That's the beauty of logical reasoning. Every question includes one or two chapters. So look at this one. Have you people heard something called mirror images? Say yes or no. Yes, no. Let us learn. Mirror images, like you keep your hand in front, your left hand will look at your right hand. How is this happening? Because the rule of mirror image says that only the left and the right changes, the top and the bottom remains the same. So my left becomes my right becomes my left, but the top and the bottom remains the same. So this is called as mirror image. And if that happens here, this line over here comes here. But the interesting fact about the point at the bottom is that this will remain exactly same because this is a symmetrical figure in itself only, ma'am. So therefore, it will look the exact same. Clear, clear? No doubts? Very good. Thank you, Bestie Brave, but you did not tell me your real name. Next, coming to this. The name of the chapter is hidden in the question. The name of the chapter is hidden in the question. The name of the chapter is hidden in the question. Let's see. Okay, I've started getting answers. Naksh, Shubhika. Others, speed up. Anyone who answers this question correct has very good eyesight. Eats green veggies, carrot, and all the good things around. Is not wearing specs like ma'am. Yeah, very good. Ishita, figure questions. Okay, that's correct, but not fully correct. Ahana, Enith, okay. Then, why is my this thing not going down? Oh my God, Amo, the exact right answer of the chapter name. It is embedded figures. R is missing, Amoha. Okay, Ahana, that's right. It's figures, but we will specifically call it as embedded figures. Good, Shubhika. Okay, Niralya says it's geometry. Oh, no geometry here. Embedded figures, Sarthak. Correct. It should be called as embedded figures. Embedded means hidden, everyone. The meaning of embedded is hidden. And you all have to find out where is the figure X hidden in option A, B, C, D. This is very, very clearly visible. Even ma'am who does not eat green vegetables and has a specs in her eyes can still see this. So you're expected to know the answer. Okay. Now imagine you are the teacher and you give your friend this question. What will you call this? Don't say analogy only. There is another name of the chapter. There's another name of this chapter. First tell me the answer, then tell me the chapter's name. Relation? No. See, analogy, relations are the same thing. How are you solving this question is important, Hennet. Pairs, coding, na. Okay, I'm getting some answers. Some say it's A, some say it's B. So we have multiple answers from everyone. Shubhika, Naksh. Okay. Guys, what are these? These are alphabets. So alphabet place values. Isn't it? What is the place value of G? Count it on your fingers. Count it on your fingers. A, coding, decoding will go correct, but not fully correct. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 7 Veda, correct. Right. Okay. Now look at this. There's one more trick to remember this, huh? You write G and write 7 like this. Just write it 3 times and I promise you, you will remember it for life that G is the 7th letter in the place values of alphabet. G7. We also have a figure called G7. Okay, a body. Yep. Yes, Ahana, correct. But alphabet spelling is not right. So if G is 7, then what's the place value of W? W's place value is very interesting. If you rotate W like this, it looks like 3. But ma'am, C has already taken 3. And we cannot give 13 because 13 lies in the middle of the alphabet. W is absolutely towards the end, close to Z. So that's where you find out that the only other possibility is 23. Why not 33, guys? We can give 33 also. Why not 33 in the chat box? Tell me why not 33 is possible? Why not 33? 33 is correct? No? Why? You guys are like, no, but no one is typing it in the chat. Oh, very lazy. And it says, because we have 26 alphabets. Very good, Shubhika. Right. We have 26 alphabets only. So 33 is not possible, friends. W has to go with the 23. You know what's more interesting? Look at this. X, Y. Oh, no. Let me do it like this. V, W, and X. All of them start with 20s. You all know this because they are at the end. Now look at this. 1, 2. So 22. 1, 2, 3. So 23. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So 24. See, I know these are all very silly ways to remember the place values, but no one really cares. Everyone is only going to check whether you give the answer right or wrong. So no matter how silly it is, if you can remember it, thumbs up. Okay, so that means W is 23 and the answer of this question is also 23. Everyone okay with this? No doubts? And thank you, Sarthak, Ahana, and Bestie Brave. I read your answers as well. Let's move to the next question. This one is a tricky question and I really want to see who does it correct. Please don't come up with the logic that ma'am B is the right answer because it has a lot of space in it. No. Space is not a concern. Use math here. Use math here. That's the trick. Okay, I have 3 answers, but no logic. So no logic, only answer. Odd one out is the... Okay, thank you, Amoha, to remind me that I was also about to ask you which chapter does it belongs to. So yes, odd one out. Okay, Hennet. You know, guys, you know one thing. Odd one out has a very classified name also, special name also. Like since you people are now grown-ups, you are not in just grade 1, 2. So they have given a new term to odd one out. And the new term is classification. Classification is nothing but odd one out only. So moving forward, we will be calling odd one out as classification question. Anyways, I need answers with logic. People are only writing the logic. Oh, sorry, answers. No one is writing the logic. That's not fair. Okay, let me give you people a task. If I divide every necklace into two halves, can you people count the left side and the right side quickly for each one of them? Let's do it for option A, guys. Let's do it for option A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal total 16 beads. How many in C? How many in C? Can you all please count? Count it and send me in the chat, Ahana, for option C. Amoha, have you applied a filter or it's the light of your room? Purple, purple? Okay, let's see. Shubhika, Amoha, okay, very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, total 14. Thank you. Veda, can you do the B part for me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you, Veda. 12 is the answer. But when we come to D, what's happening, Sarthak? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what is on the left side, Sarthak? Right side, sorry. How many beads on the right side, Sarthak? Type it in the chat box. Others also, please type it in the chat box. Sarthak says 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sarthak is absolutely right. It is 7. That means if we add 8 plus 7, we end up on a ding. So there are two ways to prove option D as the right answer. First, 16, 14, 12 are all even numbers, but 15 is the odd one out because it's a odd number. And the other reason to eliminate it or to find it out as the odd one out is that all the necklaces have the same number of beads on the left and on the right, unlike option D. Yep. Thumbs up. Double thumbs up. Shall we go to the next question? Let's go. Oh, this is easy. I would also need the chapter name. Don't say sequence. Bestie Brave, I can see you now. Very good, Veda. Alphabets. Yes, alphabet sequence is what the name of the chapter is. Actually, when you will learn this with ma'am, you will learn it as alphabet test. The name of the chapter is alphabet test. And we will use our knowledge of the place value of alphabets, which we will be learning in the first session of the class next week. That will be what number comes in the 10th place, what number comes in the 12th place, and so on. So they are asking me what is third to the left of the 10th letter. Now, do you people know the rule called Ijoti? No. Count E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count J. F, H, I, J. That is 10. Then K, L, M, N, O. 15. What about T? 15 after O. What comes after O? M, N, O. P, Q, R, S, T. That is again 20. And then 21. U, V, W, X, Y. That means all the numbers are multiple of 5. So if someone says, what's the place value of 10? Can we easily say it is J? Yes. Now, the interesting thing is this guy is asking us to move 3 steps on the left of J. Can you people do reverse counting on alphabets? Yes. What comes before J? What comes before J? I. What comes before I? H. Thank you in the chat. Thank you so much for answering in the chat, Naksh. What comes before H? G. We just learned it. G is the 7th letter. 10 minus 3. So the shortcut is, what is the shortcut, ma'am? We understood the normal method. Let's learn the shortcut. So the shortcut is, when someone says go to the left, we subtract. Left equals to subtract and right equals to add. Simple. Correct, Ishita. So left equals to subtract, right equals to add. And therefore, if a person is asking us to go to the left from the 10th letter, we are expected to do 10 minus 3. And that is 7. And we all learned it. G7. So answer is G. Any doubts? Any questions? No. Nod your head 3 times. Don't get dizzy. Okay. Good. Now we'll move to another question, which is mirror images, which we learned in the first question of the class today. Remember? Mirror images. Let's try this. Okay, Naksh remembers. He gives a thumbs up. Let's see who gives the right answer. This is very, very observation-based question, guys. The closely you observe the options, the better it is for you. Ahana is doing all her calculations like this. Done. Okay, great. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay. Anna, you will kill me when you will know that I just came back from Singapore 3 days back. Yeah. But there was no way to contact you. Okay, Amoha, given the answer of the question, let's start using option elimination. Elimination. How will we eliminate it? We know a rule very simple that in mirror images, top and bottom do not change. I repeat, top and bottom do not change. So which options are changing the top and the bottom? Tan -ta-da, tan -ta-da. So that simply eliminates option B and D from the section. No worries. Okay. The other thing we know is that the left and the right are supposed to change. Switch. Left becomes right, right becomes left. And that is happening in both the options? No, no, no. Not happening in option 3. So that makes A as the right answer. Easy. So the learning from this question is that it's not always that we have to run behind finding what is correct in this option. We can sometimes land upon the right answer easily by finding out what is wrong with the other options. Okay? That sometimes becomes better and easy. Okay? Remember these tricks. These tricks will not come in any book. Okay, done. Then we are moving towards the second last question of the day. Here it is. Second last question. You have to use the letters from the word carpenter. Oh, so many answers. So again, the same thing. You all can use the same trick which we used in the last question, everyone. The trick was very simple. Find faults. Find faults with the question options. Find out which is that one letter which is not present in carpenter. Anyone in the chat box, which is that one letter Not unscramble, Naksh. This question will not fall there. Very good, Amoha and Henit. Thank you so much. The letter is letter I. Not me, not Priyasha. I. Yes, Niralya. That's right, Ahana. Correct, Sarthak. It is letter I. And letter I is present in good Veda, good Naksh. Letter I is present in option C, which is painter. So we cannot make the word painter because we do not have an I in carpenter. Sounds similar, but not. Very good, Bestie Brave. And this brings me to the last question of the day, which is very difficult. I don't know how will you answer this. Do you think you can answer this? Yes? The question is very serious. How was the class? You have to type it in the chat box. Okay. And just to recall, we have our next class starting from next Saturday itself, 12th of April, the same timings as that of the demo. So we will start with a very interesting chapter in the next class, and that will be coding decoding. A lot of things in it. Oh, I have so many messages. Wow. Hennet says, nice. Ahana, spectacular. Veda, good. Naksh, good. Bestie Brave says, great. Shubhika finds it lovely. Thank you so much, everyone. You're so sweet. Thank you, Naksh. Naksh found it fun as well. So the major agenda of Priyasha ma'am is that whatever you learn, you should learn it with a smile so that it stays in your head for a longer time. Thank you, Sarthak. You found it the best. Wow. Thank you, Ahana. Best as always. So see you in on Saturday next week. Okay? Yeah, Pooja ma'am. Over to you.
So I hope you all have enjoyed the demo, right? So what are you waiting for? Quickly enroll for the classes and we'll see you in the batch, right? Good to go? All right, everyone. Bye-bye. Happy weekend. Take
Bye
care.
bye. Take
Bye-bye.
care.